Hey, let me show you how you can perform the hard reset on the JBL Vibe Beam. So, first of all, you will have to grab both earbuds, and right here you can find sensors. So, you will have to click, and then click and hold, and wait until your earbuds turns off. If it doesn't work, as you can see in my case, it just wake the voice assistant, you will have to do this a little bit faster. So, click, and then click and hold. Now just wait, take a look on our current connection. Now, as you can see, we are disconnected, and now when we actually put them back inside the charging case, then close it open and remove them, you will be automatically into the pairing mode, and if you try to get this previous connection, you will get new pairing request, which means that we successfully restore all default settings. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.